Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Rust game error, that is a launch error. Please unload ASIO.sys before starting the game, or Rust game launch error. Please unload GVCIDrv64.sys before starting the game. So if you are getting any of this error while launching the Rust game, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to go to C drive Windows SYS wow 64 drivers, and then you can rename ASIO.sys to AsIO1.sys or AsIO.sys.old. So I am showing it how to do it. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, open Windows folder, then look for the SYS wow 64 folder. Here it is, open it. Then open the drivers folder. Here it is, open it, and then look for the ASIO.sys file. So here you can type the ASIO and then you can find this file. Right click on it and then select rename, and before the .sys put 1, hit enter and then click on continue. You have to give the administrator permission. So click on continue, click as to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rust game and check if a problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then you can also rename it to .old. So here how to do it, right click on it and then select rename and then remove 1, and after the sys put .old, click continue to give the administrator permission, click as to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rust game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you're getting any other error, just like please unload GVCIDrv64.sys before starting the game, then just rename this file. So again go to the same path, copy it and find it over here. Here you will find it, right click on it and then select rename, and just before the .sys put 1, again give the administrator permission, click continue, click yes to allow, and then you can go ahead, relaunch the Rust game and check. You can also rename the file to sys.old, like here it is, right click on it and then click on rename, and then you can rename it to .old. Again give the permission, click yes to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the games. And if you are getting this error, launch error OTIPCIBUS64.sys, then rename the file to OTIPCIBUS641.sys or OTIPCIBUS64.sys.old. So here how to do it, again go to the same path and here search for the, and here you will find the file name, right click on it and then select rename, and then just put 1 before the .sys, give the administrator permission, click continue, then click on yes to allow, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again rename it to .old, give the administrator permission, click yes to allow, and then go ahead, launch the Rust game and check. So if you are getting this ASIO.sys error or GVCIDrv64.sys error, or if you are getting this OTIPCIBUS64.sys error, then you have to just rename this file. Now if still your problem is not solved, then enter your PC to safe mode and then rename these files one by one, then exit the safe mode, and then you can launch the Rust game and check. So to enter this safe mode, press Windows plus R and in the run box type msconfig and then click on OK, and then go to the boot section and tick mark safe boot, then hit on apply, then OK, and then you will see this option restart. Click on this restart. This will restart your system into safe mode, and after entering the safe mode, then you can rename this file one by one to this name accordingly, and then exit this safe mode. Exiting the safe mode is the same, press Windows plus R, type msconfig and then click OK, go to boot section, untick safe mode, hit apply, OK, and then just restart your PC. It will exit the safe mode, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rust game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved, then close all ASUS program lingering in your system tray. So click on this arrow icon in the system tray, and if you find any program related to ASUS, then right click on it and then click on exit. This is just an example, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rust game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to also stop the Asus AI Suite running as services. So in Windows search, type services and open it. Now here you have to look for the Asus AI Suite services. For example, if it is Asus AI Suite services, then right click on it and then click on stop. This is just an example, and then you can go ahead, launch the Rust game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix Rust launch error. Please unload ASIO.sys before starting the game, or launch error, please unload GVCIDrv64.sys before starting the game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.